Hey guys, this is Amjad with another tutorial whether how we can get reinstated our deactivated Dailymotion account. Well, today after uploading my video on Dailymotion, I was copying and pasting its link on my WordPress website when I received an email from Dailymotion informing me that my channel has been deactivated. And when I tried to log into my Dailymotion account, it said that you have entered an invalid email and password. So I wrote them an email by using the Dailymotion Help Center, in which I tried to stay as concise and clear as possible. Here is the email I wrote to them. Well, in my email I clearly mentioned what my channel is about, which is a tutorial based channel, and what I include in the video description. Here you can see that I include relevant description and one link, which is my profile link. Well, after a few hours I received a reply from Dailymotion mentioning clearly that they have detected some unexpected pattern of embedding the links of my tutorials, and that's why they deactivated my channel, considering it as spam. And that's the only word that has been highlighted in their reply. Well, I copy and paste my tutorials link on my WordPress website like this. I just copy my tutorial link and then paste it into my WordPress website. And I also embed my tutorial link on my Blogger website in the form of HTML like this. I copy the autoplay link available under the Advanced tab, and then I go to my Blogger website and select HTML view by clicking on this drop down, and then I paste the link between the paragraph parameters. Anyhow, upon receiving that reply, I emailed them again asking for the right way of embedding the links, since it was the only reason due to which my account has been deactivated, and requested them to reconsider the deactivation of my account. Well, after a couple of hours, I received another reply mentioning that they have reconsidered my request and reviewed my channel again, and informed me that my account has been restored. Well, here's what we can learn from their reply. Well, they have clearly mentioned that they won't reinstate your Dailymotion account if you have included promotional links in the description of your video, and if your channel is about adult contents, or if it promotes aggressive and violent behavior, or if you are using copyright contents. Well, they have also mentioned that you need to get a written approval from the Dailymotion platform if you are going to run a channel that might include the restricted contents. So you need to take care of the things that are restricted to run an established channel, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.